So now let's see how we can work around with constraints inside of Figma in a design file. So over here you can see that this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around and draw out a frame right here. So once I do this, I'm going to go around and let's say bring in something like an ellipse. So if I were to place it somewhere over here, and then if I were to go on to the frame now and just go around onto the selection tool, click on frame. And if I were to resize up the frame, you can see that this element stays as it is. Let me just go around and copy this element. I'm going to go around, click and drag by pressing Alt, and this is what I have. If I were to resize this, then this is what I have, as you can see. If I were to go around right here, then you can see constraint is a property right here. And over here, what you can do is go around and then fix the location. So right now, what is happening is that the frame has this object fixed onto the left and the top from the top side right here. So from the left and top it is fixed. So if I were to click on frame and move this, you can see that entire content moves out. So now let's say for this one, I want this to be fixed out onto the right here. And for this one, let's say I want it to be fixed out on the bottom part right here and not on the left. So from the center and bottom, I want it to be fixed like that. Similarly, I'm going to hold Alt and click and drag this. And let's say I want this to be focused on the center. So I'm just going to go around, click and drag it. And over here, I want both of these to be at the center. So now if I were to go around and then click on the frame and resize this, you can see that this is what happens. This is fixed onto the left. This is fixed onto the right here. And if I were to resize this, if I were to go around right here, resize this, then you can see that this is fixed onto the top right here. This is fixed onto the center, while this is fixed onto the bottom right here. And that is how you can make a responsive design inside of Figma right here. As you resize, you can see that this is very, very useful for app designs. And that is how you can work around with constraints inside of a design file in Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.